heading out here to get the trailer. I'm gonna go get a buddy of mine's skid steer so I can move some stuff around at the shop. Hey Cabbers, huh? You like riding in this hot rod? Turn the video camera on, loading up the skid steer. Brother Chance is hauling it for me. Uncle Chuck's with me. Skid steer in town. Well, I forgot to video yesterday when we went and got the skid steer here. My tractor was parked right in front of this tree. This is my brother-in-law's dad's shop. He passed away a few years ago, and my brother-in-law said I could borrow it, so I'm gonna get it cleaned up. Haven't been in here, so we're gonna take a look, see what kind of mess we got to clean up, get this project going. And it's gonna be a project, and it's gonna be a process, so I gotta get into this door here. So I got her open. Here we go. Got a first gen Dodge chassis sitting right here. I'm gonna have to turn my flashlight on, see if we can see something here. I don't know why the light won't come on my phone. There we go. What we got? Got a tire machine. Yeah, I think I'm gonna see if I can't figure out how to get some lights on. There's no power in here right now. We gotta get a hold of the power company to get it turned on. There's a lathe. All right. Well, I got the generator going. Got started on this shop, my brother-in-law's dad's place. Got a little bit of it cleaned up. Got to get power on in here. I was gonna video, I was cleaning it up. My cousin John helped me come up from Cole's trip and got a little bit of knocked out. Gotta call the power company this week and try to get the power on. I'm gonna move that air compressor over into this corner. Still got some cleaning to do, but it's coming along. I might video a little bit of it later. So well, I got a few lights on here. Gonna do some cleaning and organizing to get in here. It's a little chilly today. figure out how to get this air compressor moved over here. So I'm going to use a skid steer.